So I'm gonna do just a quick tour. Today is Wednesday and the tour is Saturday. I think we'll have about 900 people probably walk through this garden. So this is just the backyard before the final touches are put on. So I'm just gonna give you a quick tour. You can listen to the birds sing. I wish you could smell it because there's certain parts of the yard that just, man, they smell so good. All right, so here we go. There's a little bucket or a little thing there, but this people will walk in here, and there's some sweet olive right here that you smell right when you get back here. But tour kind of goes this way, and you can see the plaque for the tour this year. Just kind of, I'll try not to make you sick. I'll go a little slow. Hopefully you're a plant person or a gardener if you're watching this and you know a lot of these plants, because I sure don't. This is my wife Carrie's creation for backyard. She calls it her cottage garden. She's painted a couple of rocks, like right here, to tell what's growing there, either for her or I think those are for her because they haven't sprouted yet. But this is a cool little section she created this year with this wood. She saw a tree company cutting down this tree, and she was like, "Hey, I want some of that," because it had moss growing on it. So she put it here. Makes it easier for me to weed eat too. I'm not always hitting rocks, but she does love her rocks, line and everything. There's some real pretty plants here. There's back there a variegated hydrangea, variegated lace cap or something like that. But her little shed, and then you know, this area over here, sometimes it's real colorful, and other times of the year there's not a lot of blooms, but there's a lot of stuff in here. Like I showed this arch earlier this year that had yellow roses all over it. It was pretty spectacular. I think it only blooms once a year, but it's pretty cool. There's yellow roses here. I think they just did. There's some strawberries back there, but man, the squirrels love those. We don't ever get to eat them. It's like we're feeding squirrels, which I think she's okay with. She told me one time she just wants to be one with nature. I know I'm moving kind of fast, but I saw this earlier today. This little yellow. Let me go this way first. She's got these hydrangeas covered up because of the rain. It'll get uncovered today or tomorrow, but there's some hydrangeas under here. We have had a lot of rain. This little arch was covered with some roses too, but they're not in bloom right now. It smells really good over here. I don't know what it is, but it gets you. There's another little rock. Tells whatever plant that is that she painted. Kind of cool. She's just got some plants sitting in wooden little crates. I know this is not a variegated, but I know this is a lace cap hydrangea too. She's got stuff stuff growing kind of everywhere. So it's kind of a quick tour of the backyard. Hope you enjoyed it.